Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert a Figma design to wireframe. First, go to your project file in Figma and select the screen or frame you want to convert. Then duplicate it using Ctrl+T so your original design stays safe and unchanged. Next, remember that wireframes are low fidelity. So start simplifying the design, delete all images and replace colors with a clean white background and black or gray text to keep everything minimal and distraction free. After that, use simple placeholders instead of detailed visuals. For example, use rectangles to represent images and simple lines to represent text blocks so that layout remains clear. Then, replace detailed components with basic shapes. Turn buttons into simple rectangles, icon into small squares or circle, and cards into outlined box. Use a light gray strokes of 1px and avoid adding shadows or gradients to keep the design clean. Now, switch everything to grayscale only. Stick to the black, dark gray, and light gray colors so that focus stays on structure rather than design elements. Next, replace fancy fonts with the default styles such as Arial. Use bold text for headings and regular text for body content, and avoid using multiple font styles to maintain consistency. After that, instead of real text or images, use placeholder content like lorem ipsum. You can also add simple labels such as title here or description text to show content placement. Keep in mind that wireframes do not to be perfectly aligned. Focus on the overall structure and layout, and keep spacing simple but readable so everything is easy to understand. Then, make sections clearly visible by separating areas like the header, content section, and footer. You can use boxes or spacing to show the layout hierarchy more clearly. Finally, you can optimally use plugins in Figma to speed up the process. Helpful plugins include Wireframe, lorem ipsum generator, and content reel. Once finished, share the link with your team or export the wireframe as a PNG or PDF for easy viewing. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.